Right.
Yeah.
I'm a hat
Julian, are you going to get a baby?
No.
Do you want a baby?
No.
What do you want?
Sister.
What do you want?
Sister.
Oh, you want
Aw.
a sister?
Yeah.
What about a brother?
Brother.
Could you have a brother too?
Yeah.
So that's okay to have a baby?
No.
No?
Only in the abstract. What if Mama has a baby? Would you want to hang out and play with the baby?
No.
Oh, I think we're in trouble.
No.
What would you want to do instead? What do you want to play with?
Egg.
An egg?
Yeah.
Does the baby cry? Does the baby cry?
No.
Is it a quiet baby? Is it going to be a quiet baby?
No.
Is it going to be a noisy baby?
No.
What's the baby going to do?
What's the baby on the bus say?
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Do you think the baby will cry?
No. Baby. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. My milk.
Okay, you drink it.